Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change Telegram language, and now let's dive right in. Now to change language on Telegram, first open up your Telegram app. After opening your Telegram app, guys, at the top left corner of the screen you can see there is a three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon and you'll be on this interface where you can see the settings option available for us. Just below the saved messages, tap on settings on this panel. And after opening the settings of your Telegram app, guys, on this interface, scroll down a little bit and you can find there is the language option available for us, which is currently English in my case. Now in order to change the language on Telegram on your account on your phone, tap on that language section, guys, and you can see, guys, there are a lot of languages available for us. You will be just required to tap on the language and it will be changed to Telegram's language like this, guys. You can see there are a lot of languages available for us over here. Now I'll be just switching back to English, and the moment you select that language, the text or on the Telegram will be changed. And let's go back to English. And with that being said, guys, this is how to change language on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.